church din. Pero wala ka baruan din. First time ko pagkanig, kay anak ko siya rin nga, majority ako gusto ko makaka-church na rin ako. I'm a member of Baptist Church ko, New Life Has na kami. Ito po kuha din na Colossians chapter 3, verse 23. Whatever you do, work heartily as for the Lord and not for men, knowing that from the Lord you will receive the inheritance as your reward. You are serving the Lord Christ. So, kada adlaw po maghatag kita sa servisyo aton community, pero tayo ikuan nga higad aton doon or nga pero higad aton pagsisilbihan kay dili kita magsasayo. Dapat pero kita naka-anchor na iya word. Pero dili kita mabulag ito nga sana ito namo pa pastor aton din member nga mas makakilala ko. Thank you.
Once again, on behalf of Bible Baptist Church Abarugo, we'd like to express our gratitude na itong mga nag-response na invitation. We're praying for you, and we are with you, and may God bless you. Okay, we'll have our text.